Welcome to Activity 1, Scenario Sort. Match the guest with the expectation. In this exercise, we'll begin to sharpen your cultural awareness by exploring how different guests think about time and how that affects their expectations of hospitality service. Each pair of students will receive 6 guest profiles. These aren't detailed biographies. They're quick snapshots, a name, a nationality, a brief travel context, and 1 or 2 behavioral hints. You'll also receive 6 time-related behaviors, printed separately on small cards. These describe common guest reactions to time-sensitive issues, such as delays, rigid scheduling, or last-minute changes. Your task: match each guest with the time behavior that best fits their likely cultural expectation. Let's take an example. One guest, Anya from Germany, arrives 10 minutes early for her city tour and becomes visibly annoyed when it starts late. Now compare that with Javier from Argentina, who strikes up a long, friendly conversation with staff and doesn't seem bothered at all when his massage appointment runs a few minutes behind. These differences aren't just about personality. They reflect deep cultural patterns in how people experience time. There are no correct answers in the traditional sense, but your reasoning is everything. After sorting, you'll pick one match to explain aloud to the class. What clues helped you decide? What assumptions did you have to question? Did your own cultural background affect how you interpreted the guest's reaction? This activity helps you begin to see what's not being said, to listen between the lines of time-related behavior. Because when a guest arrives early, or stays longer than expected, or reschedules last minute, they're not just making a choice. They're often acting according to deeply held cultural values about what it means to be polite, respectful, or professional. Get ready to slow down, observe, and think deeper. This is where cultural intelligence begins, by noticing the invisible patterns behind everyday actions.